Hello again from Smart Work. We're excited to introduce you to inspiring people and groundbreaking tools that promise to blow away every limit. Ready for a truly surprising experience? Let's go!
This isn't your kitchen peeler. A pneumatic spike secures the potato, then spring-loaded blades contour to its unique shape, minimizing waste. From the farm to the fabrication shop, this handheld laser welder focuses thousands of degrees Fahrenheit to fuse metal with surgical precision, leaving a clean, strong bond. This is blow molding on a massive scale. A tube of molten plastic is inflated by high-pressure air inside a cooled mold, forming a pallet in seconds. But not everything is automated. Here, a skilled craftsman uses a simple sanding wheel to finish these combs. Notice the bandaged fingers, a testament to the risks of manual work. This transplanter is a perfect blend of mechanics and manual dexterity, setting ceilings at a precise depth and spacing faster than any team could by hand. This is pure mechanical advantage. A long lever multiplies the operator's force, driving a hardened steel wire through the wet clay like a knife-through bleder. For bulk goods like these sunflower seeds, a volumetric filler drops a precise weight and a heat sealer creates an airtight seal in a single, efficient motion. That cone is a simple, brilliant invention. It compresses the tree's branches without damage, allowing the netting to slide on easily for transport from the farm to your living room. We're looking at a hydraulic rivet press. It's exerting thousands of pounds per square inch, or PSI, to permanently deform those steel rivets, creating an incredibly strong mechanical bond. This orbital wrapper is mesmerizing. It spins a roll of stretch film around the coiled hose, creating a secure, water-resistant package for shipping. Pure, rhythmic efficiency. No power saw needed. This is a manual splitter that uses the simple physics of a wedge to create a clean break in the paver with just a pull of the handle. Plum harvester. This is brilliant. An inverted umbrella catches the fruit as a hydraulic clamp shakes the trunk, harvesting the entire tree in seconds. We've left cutting tools behind. This is EDM, using controlled electrical sparks to erode hardened steel and create impossibly intricate shapes. That's not a special effect. It's a massive cluster of oyster mushrooms, harvested by slicing the single, huge mycelial base it grew from. This specialized presser foot is an unsung hero of manufacturing, perfectly guiding the zipper teeth for a flawless stitch every time. To finish a fur hat, steam is used to relax the hide and fluff the fur before it's manually shaped over a wooden block. This specialized municipal truck uses high-pressure water and rotating brushes to clean miles of highway guardrails with incredible efficiency. This is where metal gets its strength. A hydraulic press forges a red-hot steel billet, aligning its grain structure for maximum durability. Now for the fine-tuning. A CNC boring bar machines the inside of that forged part with tolerances measured in thousandths of an inch. The satisfying magic of high-pressure water, blasting away years of grime and biological growth, reveals the stone's original color. As a safety-conscious engineer, this process demands respect. A propane torch melts the asphalt base, creating a seamless, waterproof seal. This isn't cutting, it's scoring. The hardened tip creates a stress line, allowing the machine to precisely snap the tile along that weakened path. This tool is a lifesaver for electricians, rapidly wrapping multiple cables together with adhesive tape in one smooth, rotating motion. That's not a drill bit. It's a high-powered suction cup. It creates a stress point that shatters the entire tempered glass panel safely. Look at that technique. The fanning motion pulls all the water down into one clean line, preventing streaks. Pure professional skill. This is true old-school masonry skill, using custom-cut pavers to create a perfect, seamless curve against a concrete form. This is resistant spot welding. A huge electrical current passes through the metal, melting and fusing the two pieces together instantly. This machine uses geared rollers to form corrugations in sheet metal, adding immense structural rigidity for making things like downspouts. From heavy industry to small workshops, this is a pneumatic riveting gun, using air pressure to rapidly set multiple rivets on this curved part. This is how it was done for centuries. Wedges, called plugs and feathers, are hammered evenly, creating immense outward pressure to split granite. Here, a simple block of butter melts and coats the kernels, which then pop from the internal steam pressure created by the heat. This is an ancient art. An artist carefully applies incredibly thin sheets of real gold leaf to a leaf, creating a stunning decorative object. Satisfying, right? This pneumatic pump dispenses a precise volume of industrial grease, filling the container perfectly from the bottom up. What an incredible use of material! A wood lathe turns a coconut shell and a piece of wood into a single, seamless maraca. Those tri-star wheels are the key. They rotate as they hit each step, allowing the dolly to smoothly climb the stairs. This plumber is demonstrating how a modern pop-up drain with a built-in strainer is a simple drop-in replacement for older models. The final touch on a perfect lawn. These long-handled shears provide the leverage and precision needed to create a crisp, clean edge. At this recycling facility, a powerful hydraulic press compacts hundreds of pounds of used clothing into dense, transportable bales. This machine shaves a tire to a specific depth, a process used in racing to remove hardened rubber and optimize the contact patch. This is just pure sensory satisfaction. The sound and texture of foam beads being mixed into a clear slime base. It looks like magic, but it's physics. A suction cup pulls the dent and the technician taps around it to release the stress in the metal. This specialized tool combines a knife and a comb, allowing the weaver to quickly tie a knot and then pack the wool tightly into the rug. This is a dip coating process. The metal flange is submerged in a ceramic slurry, then air-dried to create a durable, protective layer. That gauge is a flow meter. It's used to perfectly balance the airflow into each individual throttle body for a smooth-running engine. A hydraulic ram pushes the log through a multi-bladed wedge, splitting it into perfect firewood with over 20 tons of force.